Welcome to the Aruban Florin Masterclass, where we will explore the history, coinage, and award-winning currency of Aruba. Aruba introduced the florin in 1986, replacing the Netherlands Antillean guilder at par. The central bank pegs the florin to the US dollar, with $1 equaling 1.79 florins. The florin contains 100 cents. Citizens use 6 coin denominations and 5 modern banknote denominations, ranging from 5 cents to 200 florins. Higher value coins feature the Dutch monarch. Queen Beatrix ruled from 1986 to 2013, and King Willem-Alexander rules today. The edges of the coins read, "God be with us," in Dutch. The central bank initially introduced square coins. Criminals counterfeited the square 5 florin coin, leading to its replacement with a round copper alloy coin in 2005. The square 50-cent coin, locally called a yotin, remains in use. Artist Evelino Fingal designed the 1990 series, drawing inspiration from old Indian paintings. He combined pre-Columbian pottery motifs with local animals. Advanced security features were added in 2003. The 1990 to 2003 series featured various animals: the conch on the 10 florin, the rattlesnake on the 25 florin, the burrowing owl on the 50 florin, the frog on the 100 florin, and the red grouper on the 500 florin note. The central bank unveiled a new series in 2019, themed Life in Aruba. These notes feature flora, fauna, monuments, and cultural heritage, including a brand new 200 florin denomination. The blue 10 florin note features a green sea turtle and the Bushirabana gold mill ruins. The orange 25 florin note displays a Venezuelan troupial and ancient Arawak cave paintings. The red 50 florin note shows a red land crab and the historic Willem III Tower. The brown 200 florin note, a new denomination, features a crested karakara bird and a traditional drum. The International Banknote Society awarded the 100 florin note the 2019 Banknote of the Year. Judges praised its art, cultural content, and advanced security. The note features a green iguana and traditional baile de cinta dancers. The Aruban Florin acts as a cultural canvas, preserving history, celebrating Caribbean wildlife, and honoring the Dutch royal connection. This currency transforms basic commerce into a statement of national identity. To summarize, Aruba launched the florin in 1986 with a strict US dollar peg. The unique square 50-cent yotin coin is a numismatic treasure, and the 2019 Life in Aruba Banknote series holds global design awards.